Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and aromatic eggless coffee cake. Soft, moist and baked right on your stove top, no oven needed. First take 1/4 cup warm milk in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix well and keep aside. Always use warm milk to dissolve coffee evenly. In another bowl, add half cup curd and half cup sugar. Mix well until creamy. Add 1/4 cup oil, mix again. Now add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix gently. Now pour the coffee mixture into the batter and mix well. Don't overmix the batter. Gently fold, keep it fluffy. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place a baking paper. Pour the batter. Spread some chocolate chips on top. This cake is eggless, perfect for vegetarian. Curd adds natural moisture and protein. Using coffee can boost alertness and mood. You can replace sugar with jaggery for a healthier twist. Preheat a pan with wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook for 30 to 35 minutes until your cake is soft, fluffy and filled with coffee aroma. Coffee cakes don't actually contain coffee. The name comes from being perfect with a cup of coffee. The first coffee cakes were made in Germany in the 17th century. Coffee enhances the chocolate flavor in dessert. Instant coffee works best for baking. It dissolves easily and gives rich flavor. Let the cake cool before slicing for perfect texture. And that's your perfect eggless coffee cake without oven. Soft, aromatic and absolutely delicious. If you love this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer your coffee cake plain or with chocolate chips?